Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lemon with Big Kahuna Trading Club. Got a really good looking chart here, very high quality pattern, excellent price squeeze, perfect price point too, with excellent BMI going into this. This one should pop very nicely, potentially 100 to 200% gains out of this pattern. I'll break down the cycles here in a second. Also, if you stay till the end, I've got an additional bonus stock. Looks like a pretty good potential price squeeze setting up on it, and I'll break that one down also. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tip. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside-the-box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bigkahunatradingclub.com and I'll give you more information. Also, the current market rating is still C-. We are poised to potentially bump up to a B market pretty quickly. We have a Dow Jones 30 teasing right at that prior high. So if we can get above there and retest, we're going to be off to the races, potentially a B rating in the market. So looking pretty good. We're getting out of this trench, out of that TM1 1.5 month cycle. Okay, again, breaking down this stock here, AZ, and this is a really strong pattern. This is the kind of pattern produces a couple 100% gains pretty quickly based on the price points, momentum, pattern quality, cycles, etc. So breaking down the cycles, you had a 6.7 BMI vector 1 on the left-hand side of the cup. You had a TM1 with a higher high than the U pivot over here. You had a TD9, it's a 50-day cycle with also a higher high, another sign of strength. And then you had the TM2 come in. That's the 3.5 month cycle. It's right in here. You got the price squeeze starting to come in off the TD9 cycle and still above the U pivot. Again, sign of strength. And then you got the TM3 cycle. Didn't put that here. 5 to 7 month cycle. TM3. Let me check the bar count here. It's right at 5 months, yes. So TM3 cycle right at that $10 PPP. Looks like a soft landing pullback there. You could just take a break out of this pivot right here if you want. But so far it looks like a soft landing pullback, and again, very good chance this thing is going to really pop hard. Let's look at the big picture on it. See what the cycle is off of the IPO. TM7's common. It's 2.2. That is the TM7 cycle right there. It's actually kind of perfect. If you get down in this trench, take a break out of a 2-month high, you're in right at the lows of that breakout. So it's the power of these cycles. They keep you out of the chop, and if you pay attention to them, they can really catch some very good bottoms on these IPO trades. So when we come back, I'll go ahead and break down some price targets on it. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahunatradingclub.club/lingo. Okay, let's look at some price targets, and I'll give you a bonus stock right behind this. This is a TM3 cycle off of lows. It's a 5 to 7 month cycle. And North Channel is around $12. That would only be about a 33% gain to it. The X channel is about $16, so close to 70-80% on that. And the 2X channel, TM3 2X, is around 150% or so. I really expect it to kind of blow through that, just my opinion based on price action. Could be wrong, but looks pretty darn good, and also has the IPO pivot up there around $27 or so. That'd be 200% from this breakout around the $10 PPP. So looks really good, and hard to argue with that price action there. Let's look at another one here. GRYP Digital Mining, and it's riskier stock. It's a lower price point. It's had good volume on this breakout over here. This is probably a Bitcoin mining stock. Let's see here. The BMI right there. Wow, 1800%. And so far, a soft landing pullback squeeze to that $1 PPP. Bounced off of 75 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 5 to 7 day cycle TSS, TD3 cycle. And if we can get a breakout of these highs right here, and then the trend line, this is a TM-3 cycle, 12 to 15 month cycle. And so once we break out of that key trend line there, this one can rip. This is again a powerful IPO cycle. The next powerful IPO cycle was a TY1, so 1.5 year cycle. So I mean, that could set up over here and still offer a pretty darn good chance of a big gain out of the cup. About 850 on the U pivot over there. So keep an eye on this. GRYP, GRYP Digital Mining, and the other stock was AZ. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtrading.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.